In this video, we are going to see how we can change the Reddit banner background on your Reddit profile. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, just go to the top right hand corner and click on your profile icon. And from here, we choose settings at the bottom. And from here, we have different tabs in setting. We will choose profile section. And here we will scroll down a little bit. Under the journal section, we have this banner option which says upload a profile background image. So we click on the drop down next to it. And from here, you can upload or drop any file. Make sure that the formats are JPG or PNG because only these formats are supported, and the maximum size should be 500 KB. So you choose that. For example, if I choose this one, this is only of 2.4 KB. Click on upload and you can save it. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.